guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela and thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I'm so excited because I am doing the very first ipsy of 2019. It's January and that means it's the first ipsy bag of 2019 and I could not be more excited because in my opinion it is the best, most cutest bag design they have ever created. So glad that I'm still subscribed because I love this bag so much. It's my aesthetic, it's everything. I'm not one to carry around makeup bags with me to store things, but you best bet I'm carrying this with me because I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but it's cute. I love it and it's just good. I will do a little ipsy explanation in this video because it is the first one of the year. So if you're unfamiliar with ipsy, you can get familiar. And I'll do the ipsy explanation like more in depth every other month. That's kind of something a little bit new that I'm gonna start. So I'll still mention that it's a beauty subscription service that's $10 a month, all that, but not like super in depth. But something new that I'm starting in 2019 for my ipsy videos. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. If you're unfamiliar with ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service that features everything from hair care to skincare to makeup to beauty tools to nail care, and I've been subscribed for a very long time. You take a personalized quiz that helps ipsy know what kind of products and what shades to put in your glam bag every month. It's really great. I love it. They're definitely hit and misses as far as a lot of things, like, well, not a lot of things, but bag design or like the products that you receive is not always in my opinion, it's not always products you love every single month, because I've had months where I don't really like any of the products. Sometimes I only like one or two things. So it is hit and miss, but for the most part, they do a great job in my opinion. Because I've been subscribed for so long, if I was still getting like only one or two products every month that I liked, I would unsubscribe because then it wouldn't be worth the $10 anymore. Overall, they do a great job at doing that, at least for me. In late 2018, they came out with a Glam Bag Plus subscription. I'm not subscribed to that because I simply can't afford it. I don't feel like I need it. I don't need ipsy either, but I really don't need the Glam Bag Plus subscription and I just can't afford it. The Glam Bag Plus subscription is $25 a month, and every other month or like every quarter or something, you get a bigger size makeup bag, like a medium size makeup bag. You don't get a makeup bag like that every month. It's like every quarter or like every other month or something. But you get the makeup every month, but they're all full-size products. So you get 5 full-size products every single month from really nice brands like Smashbox, Oprah, BH Cosmetics, like brands like that. But I just can't afford that. But it is $25 a month. That's also an option, but I've just only ever been subscribed to the regular Glam Bag subscription that is $10 a month, and I'm really glad that they decided to keep that subscription because they would lose a lot, in my opinion, they would lose a lot of customers if they did away with that to do the Glam Bag Plus. So that's a background on ipsy. That's probably like the only month that I'll do like a full background like that. I don't know. This is the first one of the year. Also, when you sign up for ipsy, you receive a link, and you can use that link to invite your friends and or family to subscribe to ipsy, and when they use your link, you receive 250 points to redeem in their point store. I love their point store. It takes a while to accumulate points. Some of you guys have been so gracious and used my link to sign up for ipsy, and I really appreciate it. I will put my link in the description if you're interested in signing up for ipsy. It really helps me out as well because I earn more points to redeem more products. Please, let's go ahead and see what was in my glam bag this month. Those of you that know me real well, does this not scream my style? My aesthetic, my style, love this bag so much. Oh, I could go on about it, but you don't want a 5-minute spiel on that. It is hands down the cutest bag that ipsy has ever created. There, I said it. Hands down my favorite bag. You can't just buy the bag on ipsy.com, but tons of people sell them on eBay, so I will link where you can purchase the January ipsy bag. I will link the bag, all the products down below. Also, if you're interested in purchasing, so it's the best bag they've ever made. Cutest bag they've ever made. I love it. Alright, let's go ahead and actually get into the product. Before we do that, there were some things that did not fit in my pink mailer, bubble mailer things. I will go ahead and get into these things. So the first thing that is new And you know those cards that they include like every bag with the theme and stuff? Like that doesn't have any useful information, and you guys know it really annoys me when they include that in there. And they've done that like ever since the company's been born. This month, I don't know if this is an every month thing now, but wait a minute, this is cool. I didn't notice this, but Ipsy is finally stepping it up, and they are including a full booklet with all the products that you receive in your glam bag. And it includes a explanation, the shade that you receive, everything. This is so great. Like a little explanation. So it says, welcome to our best year yet. We've got big changes coming your way. Here's a sneak peek at what 2019 has in store. First one is fab new features, pick your passion. Now you can add up to 3 extra samples onto your glam bag each month with add-ons and score new full-size steals with Glam Bag Plus. However, they failed to mention that these add-ons do cost. You can't just pick 3 extra, or else they just include that in the subscription. So you do have to pay, but they're only like $3 and $4. I've never done that just because I don't feel the need to, but that's been going on now for a couple months, so it's not totally new in 2019. New ways to personalize your picks. We're introducing a new beauty quiz to learn more about which products you want each month. Keep an eye out for an invite to tell us your faves. And then the third thing is the products you see in your Insta feed and hashtag want. We've got most of them coming, including Huda Beauty, Benefit Cosmetics, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, Glam Glow, and others. And then lastly, be on the lookout for videos and tutorials with tons of info and inspo for every single one of your cat eye, step up skincare, nail your mani, and more. So insider tips and techniques. That is really cool. I love that they are finally including a booklet. The only thing I will say is it's rather large. I feel like this kind of absurd at the amount of paper. Like it's very large, like the pictures of my products are just very large, and I mean it's cool. I'm glad they finally got rid of those tiny cards that don't tell me anything about the product, because like for example this LXMI Neurotica Goddess Glow, I know nothing about the brand and product, but it has a whole thing about this. I'm so glad that they finally did this, and I'm super excited. I'm stoked. Let's go ahead and get into this, and I'm actually going to go to a different first product, and that is a makeup brush, because it did not fit in the bubble mailer, so I thought I'll just go with this first. But this is by the brand Firma Beauty. I don't remember if I've ever tried a brush from them. I feel like I haven't. I have, but I also feel like I haven't, so I don't know. But this is the 102 brush, and it's really cute, very high quality. I like it. Let's see what this nifty booklet has to say. That's actually helpful now. Oh, it even gives you little tips. This is the Firma Beauty 102 Elite Blush Brush. They are handcrafted by Japanese artisans in Kumano, Japan. I probably said that wrong. I apologize. Beautifully designed brushes that have been made for over 200 years. This blush brush has a dome-shaped head that picks up just the right amount of pigment to blend onto your cheeks evenly, and it feels baby soft on your skin. Say goodbye to splotchy blush to a gorgeous natural looking flush, and then it gives a little tip on how to apply it or how to use this. So of course I'm excited about that product because it's a makeup brush, and you guys know how much I love getting makeup brushes in my bag. But let's go ahead and get into the products that were actually in my bag. So the first product that I received in my bag, besides the brush because it was not in the mailer, is the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm so excited for this. I actually need a new foundation because I'm almost out of my NYX BB cream, and I don't keep a lot of face products on hand, foundations and stuff like that, BB cream on hand. I just kind of buy as I go because I just feel like that's not a product you should store for a long time. And I kind of wanted to try something a little bit more, I mean this isn't really natural, but it's like better for your skin than like a lot of these things, and I've heard that this is really good, but I've never wanted to. I just haven't tried this yet, so I'm glad I got a sample, and if it's the right shade, I'm probably gonna buy it, and if it's full coverage enough. Finished foundation will be your new go-to to even out your skin, minimize redness, and create an even glowing canvas for your makeup. Bonus, it's actually good for your skin. Amazonian clay harvested from the banks of the Amazon River helps balance your complexion, while built-in SPF protects your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Wear it alone over primer for extra staying power, or mix it with your favorite moisturizer if your skin is feeling dry. I'm excited to try this. I think this will be the right shade too. It looks a little bit too orangey, but it also looks like it's oxidizing. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try it. I'm like 99% sure that it's gonna be too dark. We'll see, we'll see. Also, I forgot to mention that my hair, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but my hair straightener broke. So we are just embracing the curls. I got like a pony to help manage the mane. Just embracing the curls. So raise your hand if you have naturally curly hair that's incredibly hard to manage, because same, I need to get a new hair straightener. So the next product that we have in my Ipsy bag is by the brand Pure Brazilian, and this is the Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. This is for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair, and it's color safe and it has UV protection. But I don't know too much about the brand Pure Brazilian. I don't know if I've ever received a product from them in my Ipsy bag before. It says that it will give my hair life. My hair needs life. It smooths and straightens your hair while improving elasticity, minimizes breakage, and split ends. I'm excited to try this. I think it's going to be real good. I've got some good products this month. So the next product that is in my Ipsy bag is by the brand LooksMI, and this is the Nautica Goddess Glow Hydrating Illuminator. I know absolutely nothing about this brand. I have no idea. This rosy hued highlighter combines makeup and skincare, and we're loving it. The creamy formula immediately brightens your skin while giving it a healthy dose of moisture thanks to 100% organic Nautica, a naturally occurring hydrating botanical from Uganda. Over time, your skin will feel smoother, softer, and positively glowing from inside out. You can use it 3 ways. Wear it alone on your face before makeup to get an all-over glow. Mix with your foundation for a luminous finish, or dab it onto the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of your nose for a subtle highlight. So it is many hours later now. This next clip is being filmed because my battery died, so I had to charge it. The angle of the lighting, everything might be a little bit different, so I apologize. So the last product in my Ipsy bag is a lip gloss, and this brand is so fancy, I don't even know how to say it at all. Bell and something. But it's the Lip Leer, probably saying that wrong too, lip gloss in the shade Bored Now. So here's the lip gloss. It's super shiny. The packaging is like so sleek. Like I said, it's super fancy. I hope it's not sticky though. Like a yellowy tint to it. That's interesting. I can already tell it's like really sticky. I'll have to put like a really moisturizing like lipstick underneath it, because it is really sticky. Once I put it on my lips, it won't be too bad, because that happens sometimes. So that is everything that was in my Ipsy bag for January 2019. Not only was it a perfect bag, like I'm going to be carrying it with me everywhere, but I had amazing products in my Ipsy bag. I just loved everything, so it's a great way to start off 2019 Ipsy bags. I hope you gals enjoyed your Ipsy bags as well. Let me know what your favorite product was in your Ipsy bag. I don't know what my favorite is. I just love them all. I got some really great products. I'm excited to hear what you think of January 2019 Ipsy, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! When I have nicer hair too. Okay, bye guys.